I can't believe that just happened. Welcome back to another episode of the NEPA Tripe Tour.
The NEPA Tripe Tour is on the road again in Pittston.
Pazzo. What do we know about this place? I don't know, but we're about to find out because we're going in for tripe. Let's go. Thought we were going to have to reschedule because of our attire, but they said no problem. So just use your better judgment when you come here. Make sure you're dressed. Don't show up in like jogging pants and all that good stuff. Here is the menu. Oh, Glenn, look how big this menu is. Lots to choose from. Ooh, they got 0 proof. I know I'll be looking at those in a minute. And nice menu. Tripe is on this menu and it's gonna be mine. All right, guys, I don't know what to expect. Tripe alla Parmigiana, spicy tomato sauce, braised pork ribs, and glazed locatelli. I don't know if that's the real tripe, but that's how they serve it, so we're gonna see where they rank. Nice rows on the table. And it's very nice in here. I can't really stand past this point because there's people, but it's very nice in here. I think you get the deal. 38 episodes, you guys. Can you believe it?
38 episodes.
I can't believe we've come to 38 episodes over the course of a year.
It's a little over a year, I believe.
Okay, maybe 2 years.
Yeah,
but
in
this
the last
is crazy.
4 months, we really didn't go anywhere.
No.
Right.
But we will.
But we're on our way. We have a whole litany of options across the river down near Pittston.
Yeah, so if you know of anywhere, put them in the comments down below.
Help us help you.
But make sure you check the playlist first before you comment. You know, it's very rare for me to get a non-alcoholic mixed drink. Want to take some guesses what's in it?
I don't know. Looks like juice.
So I smell pineapple. Maybe some bitters.
Yeah.
And that can't be water, so what? Club soda?
Could be that easy.
Or what do they call that other?
Simple
tonic
syrup.
Water?
Club soda.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Very pineapple-y. Is that even a word?
What about the bitters?
Can't even taste the bitters.
Can't taste the bitters?
Let's switch the camera and let's show people. You drink it.
I got myself a nice glass of Riesling.
Try that. Before you talk about your Riesling.
Don't spill my wine, will you?
I will. Not nice?
Ooh, it is good. It's a sweet pineapple.
And you've got
not a tart pineapple.
First drink of the day.
1 glass of Riesling, and it is a generous glass of Riesling. I'll take it. Not too dry, not too sweet, right in the middle. I'm like.
And we got some inside information for you guys. They've been here 20 years, and it's family run. The chef that I thought was working here is no longer here. And we got all the dibs on who the owners are, and if we get lucky enough, we're gonna meet them tonight. So bread and butter for the table with some sticky sticks.
What is that?
That's the tripe.
Oh, baby.
You guys.
Very nice presentation there.
Yeah, I would say.
You smell it?
No, there's no smell.
Not really?
But I don't think this is your traditional way of making tripe. I think they made it a little bit different.
It's a chef's specialty. Now, they said that they had the best tripe.
Is there a score for 13 out of 10?
Are you going to have a heart attack?
Is there a score for 13 out of 10? Because, you guys, this stuff melts.
It's got some Parmigiano to it. Now, on the menu, not only did it say tripe Parmigiano, it also said that there was some braised short rib in there.
It's in there.
Have you found any braised short rib in there yet?
But let's flip the camera and you take a taste. You're going to agree with me. This is 13 out of 10. New high score.
All right.
Do the sniff test.
Well, I'm looking for some braised short rib there. I think I'm just finding tripe. There's not a lot of braised short rib. Now, there was one place that we went to, and they had some ground meat in there. They had some things, and they seemed like fillers. Like they wanted to make your plate of tripe look extra large. But that is not the case here.
That's so good. So good.
Oh, there is some shredded
See?
braised short rib in here.
Wait, I see it on your fork. Don't move.
Yeah, there's a little shredded meat in there. It goes hand in hand with the texture of the tripe.
Sure, I take a bite and you take 3 bites. Do you agree? 13 out of 10.
I didn't give it 13 out of 10. But it's got a high score coming. Well, it looks like you kind of made short work of that dish of tripe over there. You still eating? Mm-hmm.
Now, a lot of you are probably wondering where we came up with the NEPA Tripe Tour. If you're new here, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give us a like if you like this video. Tripe is the #1 hated food across a lot of
Hated? People hate tripe?
people don't like tripe.
People say, ew, what's that?
And for somebody who has been eating it for 25 years, thanks to my ex-husband, which is the only credit he's going to get, it is not hated. It's all on how you taste it. You're not tasting the actual tripe. It's all in the sauce. So if it's cooked correctly and it doesn't smell on your plate the minute they drop it, you know you got to win.
And this one's got a little red pepper in there. It's a little spicy for my tongue.
I'm okay with it.
I'm okay.
I wonder why they named this salad the Lisa salad, but we've got some walnuts, we've got some lettuce, we've got some fruit. Looks pretty good. Take a bite there, Mr. Dragon Ball Z. Yeah?
There again with the walnuts. I prefer the candied walnuts to the non-candied walnuts.
Well, I can eat your non-candied walnuts if you don't want them.
Here you go.
I don't like candied walnuts. That's disgusting. I can't believe that just happened. You know, when the chef comes to your table and asks you, how is your tripe? You know he's put a lot of pride into making that tripe. Completely blew me away. I am so blessed right now. Now, usually Glenn knows what he's gonna order whenever he pulls up to a restaurant. He didn't even study the menu tonight. He put it in the server's hands. Oh my God.
So there was a Cinzano plate, which is like a chicken marsala, but we kind of just had chicken marsala last night. So I found this other one called a Scarpietta. It's got fingerling potatoes, veggies, sausage, and a whole chicken breast. Loving it.
How is it?
I'm liking it.
It's very tangy.
A little tang to it, and I think that came from these red peppers right there.
Oh yeah.
Let me try that right quick. Perfectly spiced.
Well done, Bar Pazzo. Well done.
Well, we can't give everybody a 10 out of 10.
So here's
but
how it works.
We're giving them a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. So here's how it works. Anybody that got over a 10 out of 10 in the past, you're all 10 out of 10s.
All 10 out of 10.
There's no such thing as 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or we'd be here all day, right? So, definitely 10 out of 10.
But-
Route 315, stop down and see them. I have never been anywhere that I have been more welcomed by all the service that was here, the bartender, and Sammy. We got to meet Sammy.
And everybody that we do have make tripe for us, they take pride in what they do.
Yes, they do.
They don't serve crap on the plate.
That's
Nope.
right. So, if you know of anywhere that serves it, watch the playlist first. Make your own decision. Come support the local restaurants. Send us somewhere next, please.
And we're coming to see you.
Number 39 coming your way real soon.